Hello and welcome back to Naturally Miss Kris. Today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this quick and simple hairstyle. So stay tuned. Okay, so I was playing around in my hair trying to decide on a hairstyle that I would wear for church. And I was like, I better start recording this because most of the times my best hairstyles come out when I'm not prepared at all. So I said, let me record this just in case. So this was an accidental hairstyle. Y'all gonna see some white stuff on my brush. My brush is not dirty. Let me say that. I dipped it in some hair pudding, which is the white stuff you'll see in my hair. So if you've been following me a while, you would know that I'm just learning to do a little something to my edges, which is why I look like I do not know what I'm doing because, well, I kind of don't know what I'm doing. I'm still learning. So that's why I keep going over this over and over. I am finally going back to church since quarantine. When you've been in church your entire life, it's weird not being able to go to church. And during these times, we all need a little more Jesus. My hair is somewhat tangled because I had wetted earlier in the shower, and which is why I'm not using a comb to part my middle section because it's way too tangled and I did not feel like messing with it. I'm pulling out my side pieces, trying to make myself feel like I actually know what I'm doing with my hair because at this point, I actually don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow. How's everyone's week going so far? If you had anything positive that happened this week, let me know. Because with all the negativity that's going around, it's good to hear something positive every once in a while. I used to add a bump to just about all my hairstyles when my hair was relaxed. So I just decided to try it in my natural hair. I'm like, well, it should be better because it'll have the height and the definition. I couldn't find my peak, so I had to use my hand to mess around with my hair to get it as big as I wanted it to be, and I think I did a good job. Today I am going to be shouting out Keandra Niemer and Nurse Jules. Nurse Jules is a small business owner, so you guys should definitely check her out. All her products that I've used are amazing. I wanted to pick up some of my hair so that I wouldn't have as much in my face, but I didn't want to use a rubber band or a twister, so I came up with this and I liked it. Y'all leave me a comment down in the comment section below to let me know that you are here. I like to hear from y'all. Now is the time for you to hit that like and subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And I will see you lovelies in the next video. See ya.